welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a tutorial. We're going to learn how to make a heart keychain. So the materials that you're going to need are acrylic yarn. I'm using size 4, a crochet hook. I'm using 4mm, scissors, a needle, like a for the ending. And since we're making a keychain, you're going to need like the keychain piece. So I'm using like a swivel. Alright, let's get started. So for this pattern, you're going to make 2 hearts and you're going to join it in the end. You could stuff it if you prefer a more puffy heart, or you could just join it flat. To start off, we're going to be doing a magic ring, then chain 2, do 3 double crochets, okay. Next, do 3 half double crochets, chain 1, do another double crochet, chain 1. Now we're going to repeat what we did on this side by starting with 3 half doubles, 1, 2, 3, and now 3 doubles, okay. Then you chain 2, do a slip stitch inside the magic ring, so this is where we're at so far. We're not going to close it yet. We're going to close it like towards the end. Okay. Now for row 2, chain 1. On the first 2 chains from the previous round, we're going to do a slip stitch in each one. And starting with the same space where the chains are at, we're going to do 2 single crochet on increase, and we're going to repeat the increase 2 more times. Second. Now for the next 3 spaces, we're going to do just 1 single crochet in each. Okay. Next, where that previous chain is, you do 1 single crochet, and at the top of this double crochet, you're going to do 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the same space right here. Then right next to it, you do a single crochet. Now we repeat the pattern again that we did on this side. So then this becomes 3 single crochet. And now we're left with the 3 increases. This is the first, the second, this is the third, and we're gonna do the same thing we did at the beginning. We're going to do 2 slip stitches in the chain, and you're going to do a slip stitch in the center again. Alright, so for the first piece, you would like fasten off, right? That was the first piece I did. But for this one, we're gonna keep the yarn on the hook. We're going to tighten. The magic ring so that we have a big space in the center. And I like to tie the back as well. To attach it, and don't worry if it doesn't look tight enough at the end. We could always go back and fill in the gap. So you're going to put the 2 hearts together with the long sides facing each other. I'm going to do single crochet across both parts. It's a little tricky to find where to start. The yarn is so tight. Okay, so this one is not gonna work on this side. Let's start off higher. So that's the first single crochet, and we're going to keep going all across. This is my least favorite part, working with this yarn. Up. With more practice, it's become easier. So we made it through the most difficult hurdle. I'm just going all around and putting stuffing as I go, and I'll meet you back in the end. Okay, so here at the end, we're going to do a slip stitch. Do it in the center. Then you're going to chain 7, 5, 6, 7. Cut the yarn, use a little bit of tail for us to fix any mistakes or gaps that we had. Fasten off. Now you're going to take the darning needle and keychain the circle. And now we're just going to sew this back, the center of the heart. We're gonna fix any gap that we see. So I'll meet you back at the end. Alright, that's it. You're done. Done the keychain. What do you think? So with this yarn, I like to go back in and just put a little light to take away some of the fuzz. So you have to do it lightly and be careful about it so you don't burn the yarn. Alright, it's done. Okay, that was it for this video. What did you guys think of the pattern? It was pretty straightforward, right? Pretty quick also. So I'm gonna stand this up. This is what it ended up looking like. You could also bedazzle this heart to make it like more custom So this was my attempt at the Dazzling Mind. The letter K for Kathleen or Kitty Creole Designs. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment into like what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching and crocheting along with me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!